And for the first ball position, sa unang pagkamala, pwede dito agad ang Presidente Osana. Unang kakamala, hinaan. Ang pagkam dito, hintay ka ng malaking bala. Mahilom! Ready for the second goal, Sugar, that's a good again. Got to the Davis, another left, no.
Score 5-0.
Kaya sila pinapito sa bibili ko ang Sugar, kinasuhan. Ano po nga kasama sa may labasan itong numero 12. Sugar natin, we got 8 seconds to shoot, never pwede sa one. Another pagkak, huli na. Sa ating first part na paglalakay. And what is the nasa ulit sa kabilang kabilang. Lagi pang Dulces, and a point of number. No good. Ang Davis Solar contest game ng Luis Ride. Ito po sa ating Premier Basketball League 2026 season 4. At ang basket na third round by Mahilo. And pass! At kontra po sa wala. Kaya ginabang dito 14 dito ng team ng Luis Ride. Last time,
8-0 score.
Siguro sa pagpapatuloy na ating pag-aakbahan niya. As you can see, this is remaining Cadiz open from 3-point area. Delvin for 3-pointer. Aaron for Cadiz. Sinipan naman ang pag-ready for the Young aside from Dulces. Para dito sa kabilang lagitan, 15 seconds to shoot. Open from the 3-point area. Elsa Greg. At kaputpat, palagi ko yun. Nasa Luzon. Tingnan sa kabilang nasa Dulces. Wala pa rin. Meron na pong kapituan ng ating second game. Ready second game shoot. Sa dapat ng Deadly. Ang kapag ng pagkakataon. Game out sa may patang nabasan. Coming from the window. That's good! Tatanaw ko. Pwede mo na first game ball for team of Luis Ride. In the 5 minutes and 31 second remaining time. And once again, yung tirada. 100. That's good!
11 score.
Made a 5 minutes and 30 second remaining time. Dulces Reyes, number 55 Putuayaw. Tingnan ang sakay ng baka natin. Wala pa rin. Forward girls number 6 for Duke dito. Davis Solar, 12 seconds to shoot. Last 10 seconds to shoot. Last 8 seconds to shoot. 7, 5 seconds to shoot. 3! As they go, pagpapatuloy na pagkabakas natin, Lozada, aming pagtulipan niya, no good. Ipit lang pagpitak, like from Lozada, pagkaputak, that's good! 2-pointer!
4-11.
Pwede siguro. Ayan, pagpatak, second na third row. Apat na minuto po, siguro sila dito ng oras natin. That's good! That's good!
6-11 score.
And ang sige, tabigan ng bagya. Pwede dito na yung sa lang ng video mo at kasawan. Ang sa lipan ng kabilaan, babalik para sa nasawan. Nabibitawan ka lang, medyo masyado man ang sulit ng kabilaan. At dito sa team ng Davis Solar. And sa turbis na sa lipan ng kabilaan. Para dito sa... And no! 87 game shoot. Kaya pinamako sa pagkayatigan. Lagi na sakay para dito sa Luzada. Ano dito sa atin para strike yung tatay. Kaya ito number 5 is sa Luzada. Take out and yung limapot. Napaganda pa! That's good! That's good! 2-pointer! That's over. And yung limapot. Bigyan ng kaya. That's good! 2 points!
8-11 score.
And 7 seconds to go.
8-13 score.
That's all. Paglulos. Tingnan sa pinag-ulit tapos niya. Para sa pagpapalik ng ating bakbakan. And for the long pass. At ang kapitan sa Dulces. Apel para dito niya. Nandito sa Dulces. Babalik yung pangalawang pagkakataong ibibigay para sa kanya. At yun ang apat sa pagkakalalit. Mahilo para kapagda. The points. Mahilo. Nasa order. Steal sa Lazada. Ang Lazada, pupulap sa laban ng Petro area. No good. At sa laban ng Kenny, tatapan ng takwa. No good. Another foot back na sa Lazada. Wala pa rin. And the British are going to top 2 minutes 5. One of the squad with 30 around by the zone. That's over the one shot. Pass. 80 seconds to go with the shot. Lawson, 50 seconds to shoot. Waiting. Last 12 seconds to shoot. 1 minute and 38 seconds waiting time. Lucky Napig. Napig news. 2 points. Personal ball, we got the warning for penalty. Abang the 70 second waiting. Villas Reyes looking for the long 2 now. Hindi na kawas pa natin. Sabi patuloy na paglalak pa. Yung sana lagay sa dapat break. Para sa kanyang kasama mag-football. Last 14 second waiting on the shoot. Mahilog na yun. On the move. Nakasa Mahilog. Pupote. Bon Mahilog. 21 segundos. Para sa ating first quarter. Cadiz looking for the beat area now. Lazada. That's good 2 points. Last 45 second waiting. Cadiz. That's good 2 points. Siguro with 20 seconds remaining time on the shot clock. Pwede dito. Ang mga nakapula. Pwede the first win. And with them, Zeraturas coming for down 3. 10, 8 seconds to go. That's good to complete this one. Last 5. 3 seconds remaining. 2. Outside of the sports quarter.
22-15.
First quarter. Rades looking for the corner pass sa Bayan. Hahanapin sa ganda ng corner. And that's a break. O nagtapos pa niya sa Presidente de Futbol sa Midwisa. Sa kanya ng Gendi para sa mga nakapula. Takwan. Ika para sa mga ng Gendi. And yung nakapo. Nagkaroon na rin ng problem sa basaan. On the way by Nasa. Proports Nasa! Ito minuto po at 18 siguro sa paglalakbay natin. Ligat sa minuto second shoot. At sa good. At bigamo. Nakalit ang numero 1 sa kanyang pagkakataon. And ang pagkakamali po pwede dito. Nandito area. Nasa tayo. Jumpers ready. At sa Greg Resolution. Pinalima ng Kuyo. Ipabuting ng Dennis Dollar. Laki ang kapasay Gunner. And ang sige, audio nila maghanap ng espasyo. Lagi sabay pa niya kalalim. And Speza. Deep Grace Wayne. Palagi. Laki panakan. Dadaanin na sa member ng Peter na po pumole. Dahil sa Greg panakan. Parang di kaya ang Timon. Lalaki number 9. Looking aside para doon sa kanyang kasama. Timon, babalik in the pull up number. And pass the count. And here's number 18 warning for technical for distracting the shooter. Middle side. Hingga 6 minutes in second grade time. Kahayas, looking from Nesa. Looking sa may pandang ilalim para sa may pandang labasan sa Kuyo. Last 10 seconds to shoot. Nesa, open from the 3-point area. That's our Greg. Pasang pa ng big rebound. Kaya natin sa magkakatuloy natin pagkakakal. Parang ginaniti mo ang Tapos ko na basta na mataas yung pasa na yan. Pwede dito, ang gibisuan. Tatakot-takot. Hahanapin ito agad. Palagi! 2 points! Palagi!
26-17.
Second remaining. Kano mga kabaras na paglalakbay for the second period. 17-20 for po sa ating talaan. Nabati pa rin po niya pwede ng first right. Last 15 seconds to shoot. Pwede dito ng gibisuan. And nagkahamon. Last 12 seconds to go. 10 seconds remaining time. Panas. That's a Greg for the quick shot. And ang puntang sa Kuyo. Wala pa rin. And then the basket mamasahe na. And that's a cover sa Brooklyn College. Binasan. Mahiligo. Ang isang gator na kabilaan. Pwede na this way. No good. And for Asal dia mereka berpikir dari apa yang kita mulai shot. Pelanggan semangat. Ini sudah berapa pada selagi parati bersama terus terlalu. Itu bersama berbeza sebagai skill passing dan parangnya terus masuk. Pada kolej tetap jamu oleh situation. And kali ini dua perasaan Pratami Bangde parangnya langgar parti bawah dengan Pakyum Takwa. 2 points. That's good. Kahayan 2 points. By Kahayan.
19-28 score.
26 poin ating palakan. Kaya pa rin po niya sa dyan ng puso eh. Sa patuloy na pag-amate with 7 point lead. Ilan now 7 second to shoot. 5 second to shoot. 4 second to shoot. Ito Valdez, Logan Pangkaya, Galagro Temp, Lugo Pagripan Kaya, bukan nang lalabig pa yung kalkulador itong Kahayag Pat Valdez yung natrabaho o yung panasagan na Temp. That's over. Ang Jason Tatum, may ligo, no. Yung quick release sa balikan nga po para sa may ligo, that's a shoot. That's again a 2 minute 38 second remaining time. You didn't. Leb Solar. 2 minutes 25 second remaining time. Yes, sir. Lagan Kapkaya. Last 15 second to shoot. 14 second to shoot. Up and back to 3 point area. Now. 3 minutes 15 second remaining time. Parangke. Ikim na itong Parangke. Hahanap para sa katulong na tapuan. Lagi na side. Up and back to 3 point area. Esteban. Level back 3 point area. Esteban Brother. And we get the point there. Now pass. Ito, adjacent dito, Manigo. Wala pa rin. Di pa rin nasasakay ito. Nabayin ka nga po yung pirado na ng Manigo. Ayang pabawas sa may parang kabilangan. Wala pa rin. We got 2 minutes and 45 seconds to go. And once again, we get last 13 seconds to shoot. 12. And takbuhan na sa may parang kabilangan. Kalaki na po ba? Pades, Logan Padesa. Bam! Pwede kang sumabay. Huwag ka na malikot. 2 minutes and 14 seconds remaining with 15 seconds to go on the shot clock. Up and down 3 point area. That's good. Takwan!
31-24 score.
Takwan! Two minutes. In the 30 seconds remaining on the shot clock. 12 seconds to shoot. Yes, na naman. Yung pag-ikot na pagkiranda bilang 20 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Pwede mo ngayon ang Brazilian. 15 seconds to shoot. That's good. Parangke, 2 pointers. To shoot. No good. May pantangin natin ang another putback. Parangke. And so remaining time to shut down. 5. Well, number. That's all. We get 135 seconds to go. Control pass. Tapuan pa rin mga kasulat ang batalyon. Legal steam from the pull-up number. Pinasa goal. 55 seconds remaining time. Last 53 seconds to go. That's a little bit good. Bagay sa may pinagkabilan. Lalaki number 1. 14 seconds to go on. 12 seconds remaining time. On the shot 8. That's over. Pangkayag. Pagtulong on the rebound. Siya na ang atake. Basket count. In the first personal foul in the first day foul for team ng Brazilian. With a 34 second remaining time. For the time. 30 seconds to go.
33 score.
58 second remaining
Lamang.
time. Parangke. After top the corner. We got last 15 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds to shoot. Last 12 seconds to shoot. Sampung segundo. That's good. Parangke. 2 points. Last 14 seconds of the shot clock. Ayan, no good. Last 10. Last second. With 1 second to go. Coming from the 3-point area. 3 seconds.
$38-23.
We have this time for third quarter for Giants basket. As we have a third quarter, paglalakbay natin. shoot dilakukan nanti dalamnya August Laban. 19 second away to shoot. Last round. 10 second away to shoot. Bola mencapai Naga Pramuka Dani. Naga Pramuka Dani. Naga take out from the side. Still by Guyo. But because the 15 second remaining time. 13 seconds to shoot. Last 10. 8 seconds to shoot. 20 and the score. 5. Long pass, and let us go back on this stop. Properly violation. Ray, ready to number 16. Alagares, nakabalik para sa labanda. Yung pag-ikot ng batang labanda. Dahil kaya na po mananakawan ka lang. Nakatawid from Esteron. Laging from Esteron. In the 22nd remaining time, photo ka lang sana. Turner Padrita Nera. 14 to shoot. Esteron. Open from the 3-point. And we get the first team ball for the third quarter. The zone goes again to the good 1 point. So the zone there. Axel over. Ada bagus pak. Ini terbaik berkau. Aku dah kali baru. Ingin disebut sebagai militan. Kayakmu. Anak di bagian pasar pasir lagi. Bonus ada. Edwin Zubir looking for the second and first ball line. And a scoop! Puyo, 2 points! Davis on runner.
26-43 score.
82 seconds shoot. All passing points to go. Alvarez. On to the zone. On the corner. They got double ball. Lozada. Looking back. And It is second rate to have the shot like that as well panaglayan. It is from there. Yung pagkakaroon na basket. Ako. Yung masyadong malaking pinapugutan doon ng zone. Esther na naman magtitinoon. Ahanapin sa panaglayan. Working dito ng kaya mo. And that's good to water. Under still. Rosana. Tama. 13 inside. Tato na. And warning for penalty situation for Team dito lang. Third personal foul for Rangers number 17, Takwan.
50-28 score.
15 seconds to go. 1 second remaining. That's over. 9 seconds to shoot. Takwan, 2 points. That's good. Lavata. As we to go to the second rain time. And from the border, of the blue and Bayabo look inside the wood. Esther on the mark. Now comes the we got 9 seconds to shoot. Lozada, no, but Bayabo on the basket. 2 points up. 1 open. And so the 56 second away time. Laban na lang may pagkakataon. 2 points. Laban na. Right, I know 52. Esther on 72 second away to shoot. That's good. 2 points. And now 32, 54 with 87 shoot. It's coming. Countdown 3. Sa pagpapatuloy po na natin.
54-35.
54. Another knock one. That's good. 3. And once again, 57 ready to shoot. Dos. Lego. Pass. Still is there. Looking from Lozada. The boys. Lozada. The boys. Lozada. minute and 37 seconds remaining time. Yan po yung natitirang oras mo na Colin for that. Lavender, 2 shots. Last 1 minute and 34 seconds. That's good. Well then, last 1 minute and 35 seconds remaining, 17 seconds to shoot, 36-61. Sa pag-ikot yung Luzon na BAM! 2 points, Luzon! Ang kamay nito Luzon, may 36-63. Third round, may na-calling for the foul. First personal foul. 1 minute and 7 seconds remaining time. Score po natin, 36-63. Pangulo. That's good.
38-63 score.
Also with the last 1 minute. 15 seconds to shoot. Lusada. Ana Pinatakwan. At huwag itong Steron. 12 seconds to shoot. Last 10. And traveling violation naman. 6 seconds remaining time. Napaka. Laki Pangulo. And as exact steps sana yung nangyari. But they still put in a police record. And at this Steron, no good. But Luzada, going back from Steron. Hahanapin yung katuwang dito. Ang isa. Goal! 12 seconds shoot. Pwede naman dito rin. Nag-defensor ang tatakbo. Nakapagin sa mga kabilangan. Ray. Last 20 seconds shoot. 21 seconds remaining time. They got 15 seconds shoot. 14 seconds shoot. No good. Last 12 seconds remaining time. Wala na pa tayo shot clock. 10 seconds remaining. 7. That's 3, 5, 3.
66 starting score.
Uling takbakan. Kaya, kapit pa area. In out. Sabi pa rin lang pag-aaral tayo ng ating makmamahal. Tapi ka, nabaikan na po. Lumalang mo yan si Box. Fourth quarter. Shot clock natin. 12 seconds to shoot. That's good. 2 quarter. Parang lagyan from Sartobios. Hahanapin ulit na papalakas ka lang. Ang pa rin naman para dito kay Mosing. Ingat lang sa 21 seconds remaining to shoot. On the other side, looking for a 3-point area. No good. 40 seconds remaining. Dahil sa Sartobios. Nagpapalagin muna yung pagkakataon. Last 15 seconds to shoot. Sartobios. No good. Panalo ito mga skin at nagkaroon si Rocho. Pwede natin yung solar. Pabalik sa Valdez. 1-on-1 situation. This is Wayne. In the first step of the... That's good! 2-pointer! Kaya sige, we're going to do 3 seconds to bring back to the third tira. Sa ating patuloy na paglalakbay. Paragi. Holding versus number 9. Ang may golden hair. First personal foul and a first team foul for the defensor. That's good, 2 points. Sabi sa patuloy paglalakbay ng Aurelio. Nahanapin ang katulong dito kayang. Kahit na naglalak na yan. Dito, naging ang defensor. Alam mo sila talagyan, di open ang Duterte. Dugal po yung 3-point area. Lakers number 21, zero to the square maghanap ng espasyo. Nakita sa ibandang kalagitan. Nasa Greg Lamayov. Bata po na 2 points. 8:52 seconds remaining time. Ingat kahayap. Looking sa ibandang kalagitan. Balance. 6-0 move now. Sa pagkargada sa ibandang kabilaan siya. Pugas naman. BAM! At 40 cross, that's now over. They got 10 seconds to shoot. Wait for Velez. Oh, on the move! Velez, 2 points! Right. Paragi.
44-70 the score.
What a steal. And we got a steal. Batis na ngayon. Oh, Corners basket! 2 points!
46-72.
Nagkapasa naman ng 12 na 2 points ito. Bigyan ng Paragi. Dapat si Wally Girls na muna. Babalik na sa Mahilong. Ang Mahilong susunod ang depensa ng Manis. Batrap ng Brothers. Aurelio. Pull up number 2 points.
48-17.
Timeout to the Brisbane. As guys want to go back, 6 minutes of time. Last 40 seconds to shoot. Go back from Barangay. And a push back. That's a good from Kayamo. That's one and Kayamo connection. Good! Basket out. Kayamo. 3 points by Kayamo. Against 6:25 seconds remaining time. Para po sa patuloy paglalakbay ng ating pagbagal. And Lozada, laging sa may pantang ilalim takpan. 4 points. Takpan! Marquesa, looking for Valdez. That's good, that's good. Valdez, 2 points. And takpan lang. And also there, ball dito sa kabon. SL. Pagkakawin ang ating pagkakan. Aurelio, looking for the keeper area. That's good. Come on! They got 77, big 3, that's good. Lozada, 2-quarter. Ito ang oras po natin. Yes, ang naman. 30 seconds remaining time. 4 minutes po at 5 segundos na nakikita. 10 seconds remaining. That's good. That's good. 1 minute and 2 seconds to go. 59-55. Sabi time. And 1-2-7-17. Hanap ng espasyo. Makikita po kasi itong Lozada sa may panang Candy. That's good. 3 by Lozada. 4 minutes. Remaining time. That's good. That's good. 3 points. Lozada ulit terus membantu itu. Terus membuat defense dito niya sa laging libre yung malaking Kayamo. 2 points. Kayamo. At 35 segundos. Sa may bandang kabilang para sa Aurelio. Sa may bandang paint. Sa may bandang pintura. That's good. Pwede ng Brisbane. Lozada naman mag-aanap ng espasyo. And that's a play from kayo. Bati block back ng Lozada. That's good. Lozada, 2-quarter. Another there, promise Terror still 4 points. And stone. 15 seconds to go. Malamig. Masyadong malamig talaga. Yung karto na ito. Itong bahayag. 8 minutes sa loob ng ating pagpapatuloy. But under the basket, looking for the open area, no good. And we're going to do it in 32 seconds to go. Aurelio, hanapin ito Reza. No, from the putback, wala pa rin. 1 seconds to go. Lozada from the corner. Leving aside para sa numero 20, Shani Gistamon. Hanap na kapag-indits kita, no? 10 seconds remaining, Kuyo. On the way. That's good. Time out for the Chris. Elsewhere lost to That's good. Also, we're going to be 40 seconds remaining time. Mahilo pull up number. Go Panther. Bye-bye. Heat. That's good. Sweet. Paglalakbay, Bautista. 5 minutes and 30 seconds remaining time. 7 seconds remaining time. Shagla. Open for 3-point area. Shagawa. Yan, rolling pass sa may bandang Candy. Winning just number 8. Maghanap ng espaso pa din ang Dinosaur. 30 seconds remaining on the shot lang. Malabot ka natin yung labang. Sa ating huling kabanata. Padilla. Too strong. Ready. Malum. Last 15 seconds remaining time. Ang Mahilog naman. Third round now. Last 28. Padilla. Good. Magkapot ka. That's good. Last 23 seconds remaining. Wala na pa tayo shot lang. Yes, no. 15. That's good. Congratulations, your team.
65-92. Final score.
Maraming salamat po for team dito ng team ng Dev Solar. And a good game. Once again, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ito po yung ating favorite basketball.